Hey guys, Nell here today and welcome back to my channel. So as promised, this is part 2 of my Curl Rhythm product review, and today we're going to be introducing a new product. Today we're going to be using the Hydrating Cleansing Conditioner, and this is a sulfate-free co-wash. You guys just saw the deep moisturizing curl conditioner and shampoo, so that means, yep, today is wash day again. Right now I'm going to be splitting my hair into sections because I plan on using this conditioner to help me with my detangling process, and that's just a bottle of water. Now this has baobab, shea, coconut, and marula, and it's a low lather cream cleanser that helps to detangle, remove dirt and product buildup, but it also retains your hair's natural oils, and that's exactly what it's doing here. It was very easy to detangle my hair, and considering that my hair really did need a detangle and I also needed to just break some of that buildup up, it was great. And I did not lose a lot of hair. Like that's all I had from that one section in shedding. So it's pretty good and it got the job done. So at this point, I'm about ready to wash this out, and I just wanted to show you guys how I just like set it in my hair and just left it and set it basically. And now I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm gonna use, which obviously my favorites. You know, we had used those earlier. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, the moisture level on the Hydrating Cleansing Conditioner is a moisture level of 3. But honestly speaking, even with the pre-poo, after washing my hair out, I did not feel like it was stripped. I felt like it was cleansed, like it felt perfect. So I finished washing my hair, and this one, the moisture level, number 4 on this one. And obviously I am not going to blow dry without it. Like I really do like this leave-in, and I just find that all of the Curl Rhythm products make it super easy for me to detangle my hair, and I'm not really used to that. So I'm just like, I love it when something works. So the leave-in is a staple for me, and my hair loves it for the moisture, and I love the fragrance. It's not like overpowering or too pungent. It's just right, honestly. So not only are Curl Rhythm products great for wash day and also for doing other styles, they do have a Jojoba Curl Gel that is a part of the line. It has baobab, shea, coconut, and jojoba, and this product is mainly to leave your hair defined, smooth, and shiny. And it also has a moisture level of 1, which makes sense because it's a gel, but my hair still feels pretty moisturized. So at first I was kind of skeptical if the gel was going to keep my hair, you know, like it's going to give it that really sleek, like, you know, the type of look you get with your hair when you do like any type of parting style with like braids or even crochet. I'm doing passion twist. So I was like, is it going to give me the hold? Is it going to give me the shine? Guys, yes, it did. It absolutely did. Like you guys will see once I'm finished, it'll give me that shine. But basically what I'm using the gel for is, what I'm doing with my hair is I'm actually going to interlock it, like as far as twisting, like you see here with the crochet hair. And if I do have any like pieces that are like flyaways or if they're hanging out, I just take some more of the gel, and you really don't need a lot because it already makes your hair pretty soft. And I just wrap it around the crochet hair. And once I'm finished wrapping it, you guys will see I'm going to extend it. I'm going to like twist it a little bit to make sure that everything, yep, there we go, twisting it. And then when I'm done, it looks like my hair is a part of the twist. Like, do you see the shine? Do you see the shine? So I'm just like, okay, yes, I'm loving it. And this is what it looks like close up. You couldn't even tell that, you know, there's a separation there between my hair and the crochet. And again, I was so surprised that this product held up. Like, I want to say doing this recording, it's been 2 weeks since I've used it, and I'm just now starting to see some of my hair coming out. But if you do find that, all you have to do is, again, just like I'm doing, just quickly take it out of the crochet hair and then just get a little bit of the product, put it back in, and that's it. And this is the final result. So yeah, I'm super impressed with this Curl Rhythm line, and you guys are sleeping on these products if you don't get them. So please try them out and let me know what you guys think. It totally helped me with my protective style. I did not think that it would be able to make it look this good, and I just wanted to highlight all these goodies from the line. So if you guys see them in Dollar General, do yourself a service and pick them up. Shout out to Curl Rhythm for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.